The United States Army missile Titan I was America's first multi-stage intercontinental ballistic missile, representing a major advancement over the earlier Atlas system. Developed in the late 1950s, it was designed to provide the United States with a more powerful and flexible nuclear delivery platform during the height of the Cold War. The Titan I program demonstrated significant progress in missile technology, offering improved reliability, greater range, and a more robust launch infrastructure compared to earlier designs. The Titan I was a two-stage, liquid-fueled missile that used kerosene and liquid oxygen as propellants. Its two-stage configuration gave it a range of over 6,000 miles, allowing it to strike strategic targets deep within the Soviet Union. The missile stood nearly 100 feet tall and could deliver a nuclear warhead with far greater destructive potential than many previous systems. However, like the Atlas, it required time-consuming fueling procedures prior to launch, which limited its responsiveness in a crisis. One of the most important aspects of the Titan I system was its deployment in hardened underground silos. This represented a major shift in missile basing strategy, as earlier systems were often stored above ground and vulnerable to preemptive strikes. By placing Titan I in reinforced silos and lifting it to the surface for launch, the United States significantly increased the survivability of its nuclear arsenal. The missile also incorporated advanced guidance systems, improving accuracy and making it a credible deterrent. Although Titan I had only a short operational life, quickly being replaced by the more advanced Titan II with storable liquid propellants, its impact was substantial. It served as a transitional system that bridged the gap between first-generation ICBMs and more sophisticated designs. Beyond its military role, Titan technology also contributed to America's space program, launching satellites and probes that expanded scientific knowledge during the early space race.